Baningi ke akade bethi i-Martian March umlilo wamaphepha izophela into nje yesikhashana kwananga uJanuary uqalile ubuyile uJacinto Mangobese nayo i-Martian March ukhuluma into efanayo ulwela ama-South Africans. She's saying South Africans should be prioritized. South Africans comes first. JC namhlanje la e-Eddington Primary School ngizoshumayela ivangeli lokuthi cha ingane zase South Africa akube yizona eziphambili.
Yeah. Njengoba silana nje akube kudabukisa uyayibona nje abazali beingane abahlala khona la banayo indawo kuthiwa kugcwele mawukhuluma ke 60% or so abantu bangaphandle and uyazibuza ukuthi kanti iphi inhloso yokuthi kube khona ama-public schools mawukuthi la ma-public schools sizowanikelela nje abantu bokufika kanti eSouth Africa sasilwelani bafethu sasilwela ukuthi abantu baseNigeria bakhululeke babe ngasho ngani ke sangamane siqhubeke sibe oppressed bangabe kunjalo mawukuthi silwela wonke umuntu kufa abantu la eSouth Africa befela ukuthi izingane zikwazi ukukhuleka kwazi ukuthola imfundo kodwa kunalokho ukuthi sikhululeke sesicindezelwa uhulumeni wethu ke manje usilokhu silethela labantu bangaphandle at the expense of ingane zase-South Africa.
Kuphume ikhansela lakhuluma into ekhulunywe ngaphakathi of which abaningi base South Africa they were not impressed with those answers.
No, because ayikho into ayishilo at the end of the day uthe nje bazoyifunela izingane isikole kwenye indawo. Umbuzo wami uthi mayifunela izingane isikole kwenye indawo uzoyinika yini abazali imali ukuthi ba travel basuke la baye kwenye indawo ngoba into abayifunayo bana bafuna isikole esisendaweni ngala abahlala ngakhona. Bathi bona lesikole sigcwele obani abantu banganawo amaphepha abantu abafika izolo abayingane labo bantu manje salokhu sikhuluma lento if uhulumeni wethu ufuna ukupreach ukuthi every child has a right to an education khona o private hospital khona o private schools why kube ingane zethu fanele ziko private khokha izumbulu ema public facilities athathwa yibona labantu bokufika kuzothiwa sibazonda ngokuthini kube compromise ke ingane zethu la yiphi inzondo lapho ngoba ithina phela silimalayo bona baya benefit.
Ngokokushiwo makuwukuthi ayikho into eshintsha from where we standing, what is your way forward?
I mean ngithi ama-South Africans mina ngizoyeka because I think South Africans nabo bayaganga you know namhlanje ubonile kugcwele abantu bokufika kudlula abantu bala eSouth Africa. How does that happen in your own country? Sizolele ingane zethu kodwa khona abantu base South Africa bahleli ngale balwa nama foreign yini kanti efanele size sisho kuma South Africans ukuze babone into efanele izim affect eqala umuntu uqala before akwazi ukuthi yena asukumela into right. Mina ingaffect lento ezingane efunda isikole ingaffect ngisho nancane but ngilana because I know ukuthi at the end of the day angilazi kusasa ukuthi lingiphatheleni sasa relax ngithi angeke izwe nje limoshakala mase nami ngiyaba affected kuzongisiza ngani ukuhlala ngenzi lutho ama-South Africans aya complain but at the end of the day naba labantu bahlangene bayimbumba mebethi abasuke manje benza into bayasuka bayenze thina silokhu sibhala sicisha lokhu sisaba amaphoyisani ngoba at the end of the day ukumthetho esiphulayo la sizolwela ingane ukuthi ithole isikole.
Do you think South Africans are not angry enough?
Never. Sengikhathele futhi I give up. Sengiqedile fefethi sengiyahamba.
Siyabonga mfowethu.
Sure.